The goal of the following experiment is to use multivariate pattern analysis of functional MRI data to investigate multimodal processing in the human brain. This is achieved by first creating a specific kind of sensory stimuli which are presented to the subjects through a single sensory modality, for instance the visual, but imply strong associations in a different modality, for instance the auditory. While the subjects perceive such stimuli, neural activity in the parts of the brain pertaining to the modality of the association, the auditory cortices in this example, is recorded using fMRI. The recorded activity is analyzed using multivariate pattern analysis, with the goal of predicting which of several stimuli the subject perceived in the original modality. The results show that unimodal stimuli containing information pertinent to more than one modality can induce content-specific neural activity in the early sensory cortices of modalities other than the one through which they are presented.
The technique we introduced today, which we refer to as cross-modal multivariate pattern analysis, represents a natural extension of conventional multivariate pattern analysis, with the difference that sensory stimuli are classified across rather than within sensory modalities.
We first had the idea for this method when trying to produce empirical evidence for a neuroarchitectural framework introduced by Damasio more than 2 decades ago. In this video, we'll introduce you not only to the technical aspects of multivariate pattern analysis, or MVPA for short, but also to this theoretical framework.
We will first point out some key differences between MVPA and conventional univariate fMRI analysis. Consider the following example. If a subject is presented with 2 different visual stimuli, like an apple and an orange,